Getresponse affiliate marketing. Hello, it's Basi here today with another video on Getresponse affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, we have the Getresponse affiliate program. How much money can you make promoting this product? For those who do not understand what affiliate marketing is all about, is selling other people's products on the internet, or you could be selling it also physically and then getting commission from the sales that you make. And the commissions, they could range from let's say 10% commission, 20% commission, 30% commission. So right here, I'm on the page of the Getresponse affiliate program, where you can see anyone can apply for free. Like as you can see here, it says sign up for free. Okay, so what you do is you refer client to Getresponse and you get paid for doing that, and which is as straightforward, as simple as ABC. Now it says join Getresponse affiliate program, refer clients, and our intuitive and affordable email marketing and automation platform, and earn commissions for every sales that you make. Now let's look at how much money you can make. So Getresponse pays 30% commission. They have two different kinds of program, so you choose for which one you would like to promote. So here we have, if you refer a customer to Getresponse, you make 33% commission every month. Is paid to you every month, 33% of whatever amount of money that they will pay to Getresponse for having the Getresponse software to do their affiliate marketing or any kind of online marketing, digital marketing, any kind of business that they are doing. So even lawyers, dentists, these people, they also can use this platform to like do some marketing to their customers, to their client, and all the rest. So which makes this software to be a very, very important software for any business that wants to grow, that wants to advance, that wants to make more money, will definitely consider having this product. And the good thing is that when people sign up on a program like this, they tend to have it for many years to come, for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or even more than 10 years, because it's a very, very essential part of their business. So they got two plans here. The 30% commission one, and you have here another one that is called bounty programs. The affiliate bounty program with the Getresponse is that if you sign up someone, they'll pay you $100. Now that $100 is a one-time sale, one time, so you're not gonna receive any monthly payment anymore. So I rather prefer to have 33% of the commission instead of having $100, because the 33% will be paid to me as long as these people keep the program. Now I'm going to show you the pricing on Getresponse autoresponder, and then we'll do some maths and see how it makes a whole lot of sense to go for the 33% commission instead of going for the 100% commission affiliate program. So, and that is it. Now what happened is that when you sign up, okay, they also have agency package, where if somebody signs up, even with the agency package, you get in just at the $100 if you decide to go for the $100, or you get 33%, and then month after month as they pay for their program, and then you'll be getting 33%. So it's a great platform. It comes with a whole lot of benefits. So it's easy to become an affiliate. Like I said earlier, it says choose one of our programs, sign up with it with an email. You need an email to do that. And if you want to sign up for it, I have the link under this video that you're watching right now. So you feel free, click on it. It's free to sign up to become an affiliate, and you can start promoting it. And if you also choose to use Getresponse, which I would suggest that you should also as well do that as well, because if you're doing an online marketing, you want to capture some leads, so you can always send that offer again and again, and that is going to increase your conversion rate. You get more sign-ups, okay, in the future. So yesterday I made a video which was on email marketing, and that video I listed 16 benefits of using email marketing, or having a Getresponse email marketing software as one of your arsenal to market online, to do business. So, and so many other benefits that comes, I listed them. And there are some that I did not list on that group. So, which means the list is unexhaustive. Okay. So, let me take you to how much this software is for people who choose to have it. Now, this is on a monthly plan. So imagine if you sign up someone, okay, and you collect $100, which means next month you're not going to receive any commission anymore. So you have to start working hard, getting traffic to get another sales in order for you to make some commission again. But if you go on a monthly 33% commission, it's much better. So these are the plans that they have. So the first 1,000 subscribers, depending on the size of the list, first 1,000 subscriber is £13 if you are living in the UK, and in the US that will be around $15 or $16 or so, or $17. So, but let's just go with our pounds. We're good at that. Okay. So, £13. So let's look at what will be 33% of £13. Let's get our calculator up. Okay. So, £13 for 1,000 subscribers. So we have here £13. So £13, we have here £13 times 33%. So you're having £4.24, 29p. You must look at it like it's too small. It's not much, but don't forget it's every month. And it's not just one person that you're going to sign up. Okay, so you might happen to have maybe sign up a bunch of, let's say, 20 people. So let's multiply that by 20. So if you sign up 20 people, that's £85. So an extra £85, it can go a long way. If you are doing some paid marketing, you could put that money into some paid marketing. It could also contribute to some other things, even with some daily expenses. It can also help with that. Now, that is only just for 1,000 subscriber or 1,000 contact on your list. Now, let's take a look at this. So let's say the person now grows their list to 2,500. You see that now is now £22 a month. So let's go back to our calculator. Okay, now if it's £22 by 33%, we see how much that is. £7.26p. That's what you're getting. So let's also check again that you have 20 people, because what happens is that you'll be growing, as you keep promoting and keep marketing and having more sign-ups, so you have more than 20 people. But let's just be very conservative and say that 15 people were able to grow their list to that size of 2,500 contacts. So if we multiply that by 15, that's £108, and it will keep growing, because this list, as they keep building the list will go to 5,000. So when it's 5,000, it's £39 a month, and then when it goes to 10,000 subscriber, that's £59 a month. Okay, so let's go to 25,000 subscriber. That's £129 a month. And this is just the list, one of the list plan on Getresponse. Let's say this person, because this person will definitely upgrade to this for the marketing automation plan, because of the other benefits that come, because they can create sales funnel with that, they can create webinar with that, they can do so many things they can do with that. And then what about someone like us, that we're constantly getting leads and also constantly growing our account? So some people will want to use this one because of the benefit that comes with that. Okay, let's say that you got about 5 people or 10 people. Let's go with 10 people. 10 people actually are using this plan. Okay, they got 25,000 people in their list and they are paying £250 £429 times 33%. Times 33%. Okay, you're getting $75 for one person. If we multiply that by 10 people that have the same account, that's £750, okay, a month. Now, we have not also put into consideration the people that will be having this middle plan and the very first plan. I think there is potential, even if this is the only thing that you're promoting online, there is potential to make some extra money from this. It's not gonna make you so rich, but it is also possible. It has the potential to make you make a whole lot of money. And then there are some people that may also want to go with the 12-month plan. Okay, the 12-month plan, so they're getting a discount. The 12-month plan, 18% discount. So if someone goes for the 24 months discount plan, they get 30% discount. Okay, which makes it much more cheaper. Look at that. With 25,000 contacts, the person will just pay, that will be £160 a month. Times you multiply that by 24 months, so that's almost £1,500 for that. So you get 30% from £1,500. It's not that bad. So what about people that grow their list to 100,000? Let's take a look at that. Look at that. So let's go to the monthly plan. So with the monthly plan, someone with the email marketing plan pay £449. So £449, this is per month. This is per month as well. This is also per month. So let's say you got people on your list who are doing that, who have up to 100,000 subscribers on their list. So we want to see how much that will be. So let's see how much that will be. 449 times 33%. How much would that be? That's £148 per person that has got 100,000 subscribers on their list. Let's say you got 3 people with this plan. We multiply that by 3, that's £444. And then you want to add up people that have this plan, people that have this plan, and people that have the other plans. So if you add up the money that is coming from different places to that, you end up be making up to 2,000 or 1,005 from that. So with that, I think that can really help quite a lot to assist with paying for some traffic. If you are into online marketing, that could help with paying for some other bills that you have to pay for your hosting and other things. And that could also help with paying even for a monthly car payment. It could help with paying for even you could help with paying for some other things that you need to sort out in your life, you know. So I think the Getresponse affiliate marketing, it makes a whole lot of sense. It would not happen overnight, or it's something that it would take a while. It just keep building. You can do that. And how to do that is that you could create videos like this and post them on YouTube, create videos like this and post them on social medias. Okay, you could also create blog posts and write specifically on autoresponder software like this. It might not be only Getresponse alone, maybe many other software out there like the MailChimps, Aweber, because there are some people who might prefer to use Aweber compared to Getresponse. Okay, and then it could be other softwares out there that also does the same job. You give people a variety of different things that they may like, but you just have a blog where you talk about all this software, and then people go to them and then sign up. Each time they sign up, you start making some commission and use that and grow the business. Thank you for taking the time out to check out this video on Getresponse affiliate program. I hope the video made some sense. I hope you learned something. So the link is in the description below. Sign up and get started to make some money with Getresponse as an affiliate. If you also choose to use Getresponse as the software that you would prefer to use for building your list, for doing your email marketing, feel free to sign up on my link. It's an affiliate link and I really appreciate that. So again, yesterday I created a video talking on email marketing and the 16 benefits that comes with doing email marketing. Specifically, I mentioned Getresponse, using Getresponse for your email marketing campaigns, and then I also mentioned Aweber. If that interests you in any way, you can check out the video and watch the video. Thank you very much. My name remains Basi. I'll see you in my other video. Thanks. Bye.